Day 6 of the Robert Pilcher murder trial underway in a Wapello County courtroom wrapped up with both the state and the defense resting their cases. Pilcher is accused of the 1974 murder of 17-year-old Mary Jane Jones of Ottumwa. To get things started today, Pilcher's defense attorney Alan Cook requested additional cross-examination of DCI Special Agent Don Schnitker. The defense brought up a man by the name of John Spring, who was one of several initial leads. Agent Schnitker went to interview Spring at his home in Denver when the case was reopened.
Almost right away.
Anytime we get a lead or information like this, several interviews were done, referenced John Spring and his associates at that time. Again, those were followed up to the best of their ability, and again, when I reopened the case and we could not find any information that tied him back to Mary Jane Jones or anything that would have specified that he had any personal knowledge of what happened out there.
Another lead investigators had was Ron Nichols, who was 22 years old at the time of Mary Jane Jones's death. The prosecution called Nichols to the stand this afternoon. Agent Schnitker interviewed Nichols in October 2013. Nichols said based on the statements he reviewed from 1974, he had known the victim for about a month prior to her death.
Reviewing the statements and stuff, I met her, either at where she worked or at the Holiday Inn where I hung out quite a bit.
3 when I left the sheriff's office.
After that testimony, the state rested its case. The defense called 2 witnesses to the stand before it too rested its case, setting the stage for closing arguments tomorrow.